Now let's multiply by a 3-digit number using the grid method. So we start with 5 times 147, but we can break down 147 into hundreds, tens and ones. This 1 stands for 100, this 4 stands for 40, this 7 stands for 7. So on our grid we can write the single digit number in our question on the left, and then we can write the partitioned number on top, so that's 140 and 7. Now for this box here, we're doing 100 times 5. That's 500 because 1 times 5 is 5. Then if we have 2 end zeros in a multiplication, we have 2 end zeros in the answer. So 500 goes in this box here. And in this box, we're doing 40 times 5. That's 200 because 4 times 5 is 20. And then if we have an end zero in the question, we need an end zero in the answer. So that's 200. And now 7 times 5 is 35. So to get our answer, we just add up what's in our boxes. So that's 500 plus 200 plus 35. We can use column addition for this, and that gives us our answer, 735. Now 389 times 3. Again, we're going to partition our 3-digit number. So this 3 stands for 300, this 8 for 80, and this 9 for 9. So we can write our single digit number, the single digit number in the question, on the left, and then our partitioned number, so 380 and 9, on top. Now for this box here, we need to work out 300 times 3. That's 900, because 3 times 3 is 9. Then if we have 2 end zeros in the question, we need 2 end zeros in the answer. So that's 900. Now for this box, we have 80 times 3, which is 240, because 8 times 3 is 24. Then 1 end zero in the question means 1 end zero in the answer. So that's 240. And now for our last box, we need 9 times 3, which is 27. So if we add up our answers, 0 plus 0 plus 7 is 7, 0 plus 4 plus 2 is 6, and 9 plus 2 is 11. So we have 1,167. Now 7 times 229. We partition 229 into 220 and 9. We write the single digit number in the question on the left, and then our partitioned number on top. So that's 220 and 9. Now for this first box, we have 200 times 7, which is 1,400, because 2 times 7 is 14, and then if we have 2 end zeros in the question, we need 2 end zeros in the answer. So that's 1,400. Now for this box, we have 20 times 7, which is 140, because 2 times 7 is 14, and if we have 1 end zero in the question, we need 1 end zero in the answer. So that's 140. And for our last box, we have 9 times 7, which is 63. So if we add up our answers, 0 plus 0 plus 3 is 3, 0 plus 4 plus 6 is 10, so that's 1, 0, 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6, and 1 plus nothing is 1. So our answer is 1,603. And it's the same here. We can partition our 3-digit number into 400, 70 and 6. We write our single digit on the left, then our partitioned number on top. Here we have 400 times 9, so that's 3,600, because 4 times 9 is 36, but if we have 2 end zeros in the question, we need 2 end zeros in the answer, so that's 3,600. On to the next box, we have 70 times 9. That's 630, because 7 times 9 is 63. If there's 1 end zero in the question, there's 1 end zero in the answer. And now for this last box, we have 6 times 9, which is 54. So we can add up our answers. 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 0 plus 3 plus 5 is 8. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 1, 2. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So our answer is 4,284.